I tell you a secret. The after-sales service is the most important part of our work and is the one that allows to go from a good product to a great one. So how we handle it? First, the product must be simple, with a similar internal system, easy to open and to access. All our dental units use almost the same components and electrical parts. This allows to cut time to identify the problem and to have the right parts in a shorter time. And second, a fast and direct support to our technicians and distributors. If they have a problem, we have to support them fast and with an easy solution. That's why we use customized video on WhatsApp, because it creates a great interaction. The third one is the spare part delivery. The maximum time has to be 24 hours. Why we have to wait for it? We have all in stock. All we have to do is to bring them and put in a pack. The fourth one, only if you really want more, we have the spare part kit that you can order whenever you like. Even if you don't buy a chair from us, you can have the spare part kit. You want more? We cannot do more. This is the best we can do.